Are you in need of some budget-friendly ideas for your front porch? In this video, we're going to share over 20 ideas that won't break the bank. A small front porch doesn't mean you have to skimp on style. When it comes to small front porches, one of the most important rules is to avoid clutter and keep it simple. A cluttered porch can look overwhelming and make the space feel cramped. So try to avoid this. Focus on a few key elements rather than adding too many items. Adding a pop of color to your porch is an easy way to make it more inviting. This can be done by adding colorful outdoor throw pillows, flower pots, and planters with bright flowers, or even painting the door in an eye-catching hue. Outdoor lighting is one of the most important elements when it comes to sprucing up your small front porch. Installing string lights or outdoor sconces creates an inviting ambiance that sets the tone for the outdoor living space. And if you don't want to invest in permanent fixtures, there are plenty of affordable and stylish solar-powered lights that can be used to create a beautiful lighting display. Another great way to spruce up a small front porch is by embracing symmetry. Symmetrical pieces such as matching chairs, side tables, and planters create a calm and balanced atmosphere. One of the easiest and most affordable ways to spruce up your small front porch is by adding a fun doormat. Doormats come in all different colors, styles, and sizes, so you can easily find one that fits your style, personality, and budget. Tall decorative elements like lanterns, plants, and decor can create a feeling of increased height on a small front porch. This will give the illusion of a bigger space and also add an airy aesthetic to the area. Consider adding some hanging plants or trailing vines, potted plants on the steps, or even window boxes to add an instant splash of color. With the right plants, you can easily transform your porch into a beautiful and lush oasis. Consider adding some decorative elements like a wreath, door knocker, or even baskets filled with greenery and flowers that showcase your unique style. This is a great way to add a bit of personality to your porch. And it can be a great conversation starter and will give this area an inviting and welcoming vibe. If you're feeling more ambitious, why not add a little extra personality to your porch by stenciling it? A subtle motif or pattern can give the space character and make it stand out from other porches. You can also use this technique on furniture or planters to create a unique look that is totally you. And if space allows, adding seating to your porch can help create a cozy and inviting space. Whether it's a couple of chairs or a narrow bench, adding some seating will make the space feel more inviting and functional. Whenever a space is small, think vertical. It can make your space look bigger and more inviting. Consider adding shelves, hanging planters, or wall art to create a beautiful display that adds texture and color to the area. Adding something unexpected to your small front porch can really make it stand out. Consider adding a unique piece of art, an antique chair, or a quirky sign for some added character and personality. With the right accents, you can easily turn your small front porch into a fun and welcoming space. We hope you gathered a little inspiration here today so you're ready to spruce up your porch this year. Be sure to comment below which ideas were your favorite. Up next, we're going to share 25 different curb appeal before and afters that will leave you speechless. Subscribe to our channel and tap the notification bell so you're the first one to see our latest videos. And we'll see you in the next one.